Here we'll have a quick summary on the first chapter, reaping gold from soil. In the first part, we have seen what are the essential factors needed to get more yield. And the factors are quality of planting materials, fertile soil, proper nurturing, favorable climate, and pest control. These are the main factors. Next, we have seen reproduction methods. In that, sexual reproduction and vegetative propagation. In sexual reproduction, seeds are produced after fertilization. And in vegetative propagation, new plantlets can be grown from the stem or from the leaf or from the root of a plant. And we have also seen different vegetative propagation methods. In that first one is layering, that is sprouting roots on the branch. Next we have seen grafting. In grafting, a branch of good variety is attached to the stem of local variety plant. And in that we have seen stock and scion. Stock means the ingenious variety that which is available in our place, and scion means the good variety, and these both are attached to produce a new plant, new variety plant. And next method is budding. A bud is grafted instead of a stem. So instead of stem, we are grafting a bud. Okay. So these are the vegetative propagation methods we have seen. Coming to sexual reproduction, we have seen hybridization. What is hybridization? Producing new seeds through artificial pollination. Through artificial pollination, we produced new seeds. And we have seen the hybrid varieties of so many vegetables. In that, the hybrid varieties of coconut is given Chandrashankara, Chandralekha, Lakshaganga. And like that, lady's finger, Kiran, Arka, Anamika. Okay. And we have also studied about the research institutes which are there in our state. Some examples are Kerala Agriculture University, Central Tuber Crops Research Institute. More institutes are there. Now next we learned about plant diversity. In that we learned intercropping method and crop rotation method. Short-term crops cultivated among the main crop, that is known as intercropping method. For example, coconut planting, vegetables, pineapple, areca nut pineapple, peas, yam, taro. So one main crop will be there, and in between the main crops, short-term crops will be cultivated. This method is known as intercrop. Now next is crop rotation, that is cultivating different crops one after the other. Rotation means one after the other. So one after the other different crops were cultivated. That is crop rotation. And we have also seen the benefits of cultivating leguminous plants. A bacteria named Rhizobium present in the root nodules of pea plants which convert atmospheric nitrogen to water-soluble nitrate salts. This nitrogen is essential for the growth of the plant. And we have learned the benefits of cultivating leguminous plants. And what is that? A bacteria named Rhizobium is present in the root nodules of pea plants, and that converts atmospheric nitrogen to water-soluble nitrate salts. These are essential for the growth of plants. Okay. And next we have seen the crop management. That is we used chemical fertilizers and pesticides for growth of the plant. But we know that these pesticides and chemical fertilizers has both advantages and disadvantages. So we have moved into biofertilizers and biopesticides. And some examples for biofertilizers are cow dung, goat droppings, etc. And biopesticides are neem oil emulsion, neem cake, etc. And all these preparation method we have already learned. And also we have learned about the other crops we are cultivating in our country. That is rubber, jute, cotton, coir, etc. Apart from food crops, we are cultivating other crops also. And coming to last part of the chapter, we learned about integrated farming. What is integrated farming? Integrating more than one field of agriculture. That is known as integrated farming. For example, paddy cultivation and cattle rearing. And in the paddy cultivation, the bran that is given out after the paddy cultivation is given for cattle as fodder. Another example is apiculture and floriculture. So, integrated farming is a method where we can integrate more than one field of agriculture and we can obtain so many products from this type of farming. Okay. So, these were the topics we learned in the first chapter.